Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up 2FA on Amazon account using Authenticator step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon website. Sign in to your Amazon account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Account and Lists option at the top. Click on Account and Lists, then select your account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Account Settings section. Look for the Login and Security option and click on it. You may be prompted to re-enter your password for security verification. After entering your password, you will be directed to the Login and Security page. Find the two-step verification, 2FA, section and click on the Edit button next to it. You will see an explanation of 2FA. Click on the Get Started button to continue. Amazon will provide options for setting up 2FA. Choose the Authenticator app option. Download an Authenticator app if you haven't already. Popular options include Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the Authenticator app on your mobile device. Follow the prompts in the app to add a new account. You may need to scan a QR code shown on your Amazon account setup page. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code back on the Amazon setup page and click Verify. Amazon may ask for a backup verification method. Follow the on-screen instructions if prompted. Once you have successfully verified the Authenticator, 2FA will be enabled on your account. You will receive a confirmation message stating that two-step verification is now active. For added security, consider storing the backup codes provided by Amazon in a safe location. Congratulations, you have now successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Amazon account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.